Now let us see exercise 5.3, 14th question. Now see the question. Find the equation of a straight line. So in our question they have asked to find out the equation of a straight line. Two questions they have asked. Okay. So each question different points and different condition they have given. Using that and find out the equation of a straight line. Now we can see the first question what and all they have given. A straight line passing through the point they have given. One straight line you have, that straight line passing through the point, that is 1 comma minus 4. So here the x-axis value that is 1, y-axis value that is minus 4 they have given, and has intercepts. Intercepts means already you know that the intercept form, what is it? X by a plus y by b is equal to 1. So you are going to use it this form only, x by a plus y by b is equal to 1. In the first question you know that the passing through the point, you know that x value that is 1, y value that is minus 4. X and y value you know that. After the intercept means what are they? A and b are the intercepts. Okay, so the intercepts which are in the ratio form. So a and b value they have given in the ratio form they have given. So a is to b is equal to 2 is to 5. Okay, so intercepts they have given in the ratio form, that is 2 is to 5. So in the first question, one point that they have given. After a is to b, the intercepts they have given in the ratio form. Using that you are going to find out the equation of a straight line. Now see the second question. The straight line passing through the point they have given. Okay, so this one point they have given, on straight line you have that straight line passing through the point, that is minus 8 comma 4. So x coordinate that is minus 8, y coordinate that is 4. Okay, so one point they have given. After one condition they have given, making equal intercepts. So intercepts means you know that a and b are the intercepts. Both intercepts are equal they have given. So both intercepts are equal mean a is equal to b. A and b values are equal they have given. So one point they have given, one condition they have given. Using that one and you are going to find out the equation of a straight line. Now you can see the first question. Okay, so now see the solution. First you have to write the given thing. So given they have given the passing through the point they have given. After the intercepts that is they have given in the ratio form. So ratio of the intercepts, that is a is to b is equal to 2 is to 5. So in the intercepts form you can write as a division form. So a is to b you can write as a divided by b is equal to 2 is to 5, you can write as 2 divided by 5. Now here you are going to find out the a value or b value, anything you can find out. Okay, so you know that intercept form, this is x by a plus y by b is equal to 1. This is the intercepts form. Here a and b, so both variables you want to make it same, so that's why we are find outing the a value. So otherwise b value if you find out also you can do it. Okay, so the both one same equation, same answer only you will get it. Here we will find out the a value. Okay, so using that one, so here in between equal to you have, so then cross multiply if you are doing, what will come? So 5 into a, that is 5a is equal to 2 into b, that is 2b. Now we are going to find out the a value. So a is equal to 2b divided by 5. Now you have got it the a value. Suppose b value if you are find outing me, like that you can do. B keep it here. So 5a divided by 2. Like that also you can do it. Okay. So any method you can follow it. So now you have got it the a value. A is equal to 2b divided by 5. You know that the intercept form, what is it? The required equation is x by a plus y by b is equal to 1. Here only we are going to apply. So x divided by a value, now only we have got it. So that is what? 2b divided by 5. So a instead of, you can apply 2b divided by 5 plus y divided by b is equal to 1. Okay, so now see this variable and this variable is equal. So then only you can solve that. So that's why we are find outing the a value. Okay, so otherwise b value if you are find outing, how we can do it? So now see here. So b means b 5a divided by 2 it will come. So 5a divided by 2. So then how you can apply here? X divided by a plus y divided by b, instead of you can apply this one. So like that it will come. So both one is same only. So in this way you can do it, otherwise this way you can do it. Okay, so a value or b value, anything you can find out. Now here we found it the a value. Okay, so now apply here. After applying, so they solve this one. So this is in the fraction form. So this 5 will go the numerator. So 5 into x, that is 5x divided by 2b plus y divided by b is equal to 1. So now the in between plus you have this, both things are in, both parts are in the fraction form. So the fraction form, if you are adding or subtracting, if the denominator same only, you can add or subtract the numerator. So here the denominator same or not? No. So if you want to make the denominator same means you need to find out the LCM. Here variables are there. So how you can find out the LCM? 2b means you can write as 2 into b. B means 1 into b. 1 into b you can write as b. So how will you find out the LCM? You know that all the different parts you need to write. So all the different parts with the highest power you need to write. Here 2 into b one time you can write. Here also there, here also there. All the different things one time you can write with the highest power. Here all the power is same only. Here 2 one time, here b one time, here also b one time only you have. So 2 into b, so that is 2b is the LCM. Okay, so now 2b after here, now see 2b is the LCM. So how we can find out the LCM? So already the denominator part 2b only you have. So the LCM also 2b. So 2b means 2b with which number in if you multiply means you can get the LCM 2b 1 only. 2b into 1 only 2b you will get. Okay, so 1 again multiply with the numerator. So 1 into 5x, that is 5x. Plus here b you have, but the LCM is 2b. So b into which number you need to multiply? 2. If you multiply only 2b you can get it. Okay, so 2 again multiply with the numerator. 2 into y, that is 2y. So 5x plus 2y divided by 2b is equal to 1. So now this 2b, can you bring it on that side? So then 5x plus 2y is equal to, this is the division part. While you are bringing on the right side, it will become multiplication. 1 into 2b, that is 2b. Okay, so then afterwards you know that x and y value, we know that. So the passing through the point, what they have given, 1 comma minus 4. So you have to write the line passes through the point 1 comma minus 4. So can you apply here the x and y values? So if you are applying, so x value, that is 1, 5 into 1 plus 2 into y value, what is it? Minus 4 is equal to 2b. Okay, so then you can solve it. 5 into 1, 5 plus 2 into minus 4, that is minus 8. So 5 minus 8 is equal to 2b. So 2b is equal to 5 minus 8 means if you are subtracting after biggest number symbol. So what is it will come? Minus 3. Then b is equal to minus 3. This multiplication while are bringing to the right side, so it will become division. So minus 3 by 2. Now you have got it the b value. Okay, so then afterwards you need to find out the a value. Then only you can apply this form. Okay, so using the x and y value, you know that apply that values after find outing the a and b value. Then only you can apply here. Okay, so then now you have got it the b value. Next you are going to find out the a value. So a value, how we can find out? A is equal to 2b divided by 5. So here you can apply here or not? Yes, because we know the b value. So you can apply here. A is equal to 2b divided by 5, we know that. Okay, so here you can apply. This can be written as 2 by 5 into b. Can you write or not? Because this with this one only we will multiply. So 2b divided by 5 you can write as 2 by 5 into b you can write. So then you can apply the b value. So b value here, what is it? Now only you have got it. That is minus 3 divided by 2. Okay, so then afterwards multiplication. So multiply numerator with the numerator, denominator with the denominator. So 3 minus 3 into 2, that is minus 6. 5 into 2, that is 10. After simply reducing the terms, you will get a is equal to minus 3 by 5. Okay, so afterward now you have got the a value and the b value. So then you can use it the intercept form. A value, b value you can apply and find out the equation. So this is the intercept form. Okay, so now can you find out the a and so can you substitute the a and b value? So x divided by a value, that is minus 3 by 5, plus y divided by b value, that is minus 3 by 2 is equal to 1. So you know that this is the denominator part, that is in the fraction form. So this 5 will go the numerator. So 5 into x, that is 5x divided by minus 3, plus this will go to the numerator. Okay, so 2 into y, that is 2y divided by minus 3 is equal to 1. So you know that here the denominator, so this both the parts are in the fraction form, but the denominator is same. So while you're adding or subtracting, if the denominator same means you can add the numerator. So then commonly you can take the denominator after add the numerator. So 5x plus 2y divided by minus 3 is equal to 1. So this minus 3, can you bring it on that side? So 5x plus 2y is equal to 1 into minus 3, that is minus 3. So this minus 3 again, if you can bring it to the left side. So 5x plus 2y, so minus 3, if you bring it on the left side, that it will become plus 3. So now you have got the answer 5x plus 2y plus 3 is equal to 0. So using the given things, we have got the first question, that equation we have got the straight line equation. The next question, passing through the point x axis and the y x's value they have given. After what condition they have given? The intercepts are equal they have given. Intercepts mean a and b are equal they have given. So now we can apply here. The given thing is intercepts equal they have given. That is the condition. So that a is equal to b. So b instead of, we can apply the a value. So a required equation form that you know that here only you are going to apply. So this is the intercept form, x by a plus y by b is equal to 1. So x by a plus y divided by b, instead of can you write a, because both one is equal only. So b instead of you can write as a. So x by a plus y by a is equal to 1. So here the denominators are same only. So commonly you can take the denominator and add the numerators. So then what it will come? X plus y divided by a is equal to 1. So then x plus y is equal to this a, it will go the right side, that multiplication. So 1 into a, that is a only. So now here the a value we need to find out. Okay, so already we know the passing through the point. What is it? The line passing through the point. The second question, what point they have given? Minus 8 comma 4. X value is minus 8 and the y value is 4. So then can you apply here? Minus 8 plus 4 is equal to a. Okay, so then now a is equal to minus 8 plus 4 if you subtract and put the biggest number symbol. So the answer a is equal to minus 4. So now this a is equal to minus 4. Can you apply here? So the required equation, then you will get it. Okay, so x plus y is equal to a value, that is minus 4. So then again the minus 4, bring it on the left side. So x plus y, the minus 4 if you bring it on the left side, that it will become plus 4. So x plus y plus 4 is equal to 0. Okay, so that is the second equation. So x plus y plus 4 is equal to 0. Thank you.